What's the most important part of your LinkedIn profile? Your summary. Your LinkedIn summary is going to be the most read version of your bio. So you need to make sure that it is as compelling and exciting and as interesting as you are in the real world. Here's a really important tip. When somebody is checking you out online and they see your profile, the only thing they see about your summary is your first 3 lines. They have to click see more to see your entire bio. So you want to make sure that your summary is really exciting and has an engaging kickoff. So think about the 3 most compelling sentences that you can write about yourself so that people want to know you more. Then use that as a way to kick off an incredible bio so that people in the virtual world want to get to know you.